So let's replace this motor on the driver's side door of a 2003 Mustang. This is going to be very similar to all cars models from 1994 to 2004. There's just a few clips. There's these which you just have to push out, screwdriver or something. So the easiest way this thing comes off is prying these clips out to the side and then lifting it up forward. And this thing comes off easy enough. There's a little latch at the top, just comes out this way. And there's one here that pops up this way, and then you can slide it down into it. And this is the connector for the motor. Motor's right here. We're gonna unscrew these 3 bolts. Now there's teeth that are stuck on like this, so you're gonna have to pry the motor out this way towards us. New motor, but if pretend this is inside there, if I'm pushing right on this spot up in this corner, it'll just unlodge real easy. Get stuck in there, so twist it up this way and it should fall down. Yeah, you have to put your hand all the way in here and reach back to get it out. You got big arms, you're gonna probably have to take this thing off. I took off these bolts, just loosen them. I loosened these too, in order for this metal plate that this motor rests on to be pushed back a little bit so that this thing can finally fit up there. Just fit all the bolts back in, those 2 bolts, tighten those up, fish the cable through here, plug it in, put the panel back on. You guys know what to do. Hope that helps. Hopefully these videos will help you get your searching done a little bit quicker than those guys that take 20 minutes to make a video for something so simple. Anyways, see ya. And don't forget to plug it in. I've done that before. Had to take the whole panel back off.